Go home happy with the 2023 Nissan Rogue. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, lane keeping assist, premium sound system, heated rear seat, backup camera, remote engine start. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.